There it is, my new favorite possession. 1948? 1948, Ohlsson and Rice, Model 60, Special. Two-stroke, gasoline. Come on, zoom in on that. Come on, what kind of phone? Nope. Champion. Now, like, there's my finger for scale. Thing is awesome. That's the carburetor. That's the needle valve. Gas goes in the bottom here. I'm gonna build a little stand for it. I love the little cylinder head. So there's a YouTube video of this thing running, man. It sounds pretty awesome when it idles. It's like a little dirt bike motor. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do this so that I could. How am I gonna do this? I can't do this. I want you to hear compression. I'm gonna turn this way. No. No, it's not gonna work.